So I'm here with Enzo, my cousin, and we're gonna dive down here and check how it looks. Gonna do some spearfishing and let's see what we get. This is our point of entry, nice and peaceful. Want to swim around, work our way that way, and then come back and work ourselves around these rocks. He's looking well kitted and ready for spearfish. Yeah, and his two first fishes. Any words you'd like to say for your first time spearfishing?
It was quite nice. The water is quite warm. It's lekker. Yeah. With one foot it was
one flipper.
Well.
Yeah.
One flipper, we did well.
Yeah, he lost his one flipper clip in the beginning, so he just dived with one flipper. But we had great fun and got 5 fishes in total. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.
Cheers, bye.